We're designing invites, we're designing menu cards. So we just decided to do like a Polish themed dinner party night. So that's my inspiration. I used Adobe Stock for this, and these are some flower motifs that I picked out. Let's dive in and create like an illustration variation for this. So I'm gonna bring this out here, and I'm just making this kind of like thing to help me with the design at the end. And I have some lockups here that I created. I was looking at this and I realized that this is not exactly a typeface and it's like outlined. So this is perfect because I can show retype beta for this. You can put in images in Illustrator and have Illustrator tell you what font it is. So this is BD Supper, and if I click on it, it's gonna apply that to the font. Let's bring this lockup here. So what I'm trying to do is like find a layout here. I kind of like how this is like coming out the sides over here. What I really want to do is like cut some of these lines. Come on, C. Command F, and then I'm gonna select this, which is my flower layer, and I go back and select my circle as well. And now I'm just gonna use a shape builder, which is Shift M, and delete these little lines here. And voila. And then obviously I want to say what we're eating at the event. And then I think that just adding like that color element is important here. So I'm going to do that as well. Okay, I'm going to use the repeat grid here. I feel like repeat grid is also one of my favorite tools because you can actually like change it and you can see it live. But I do want to do like the back side of it just because I feel like I want to say, are you in? Or like RSVP or something like that. It's like wanted it to be a little bit fun, a little bit off the edge. So here's a different shape. I'm going to bring it to front. I'm going to turn this to a stroke, and the width tool is your best friend, which is right over here. And what I'm going to do is essentially like make some funky shapes here. So you can actually see that it's like, oh, it's like part of the font almost. And then maybe we can introduce some of these designs in here as well. And then I can go in here and say RSVP. All right, that finishes our first run of the invite. I feel like now is a good time to jump into Adobe Express and show you how you can animate this. So I'm going to go to my Illustrator file, and the first thing that I'm going to do is bring this element. So I'm going to copy Polish night, and I'm going to hit Command B, which is paste. Okay, so here's the layers panel, and then you can drag these layers out any which way you want. So the process is pretty seamless. And why don't we go ahead and animate it? Let's go to Polish night, click on animation, and maybe I'll do like a fade in. And immediately when I clicked on it, there was a timeline that was added. And then you can click on the show layer timing, and you can increase or decrease the amount of time it stays on the screen. And then let's go to bottomless dinner here, and maybe I want it to be like pop. Let's do pop for this as well. But I am still going to go with fade just because I want to have that consistency. And I can go back and decrease the duration slightly. So what I'm going to do is select that group and maybe do like a fade to the whole thing. So here's an add scene button in Adobe Express. So what you can do if you wanted to add RSVP or something, you can just like copy paste this here. And then you can even add like a transition here. So you can click on add transition. I think push is my favorite. So let's hit play. Polish night, March 15th, 7 p.m. Wine, snacks, and sausages. Are you in? And it was like the perfect time till I read everything too. And then we can dive back into creating menus. So we have food and drinks, where I say eat and drink. So all of this will still be part of that. We're just exploring your exploration. Bring this element. Ooh, this is cute. So here's like something that I really love to do is that I have like almost like the back of the menu. So it's like super cool. That's the food menu that we printed. And then if you turn it around, that's actually on the screen. So that's cool.
Thank you again, Annika. This has been so much fun.
Thank you so much, Tristan. And thanks all for watching. We'll see you another time.
Bye. See you another time. Bye.